We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive, continuing to fight to hold support here and trying to test key resistance levels, but it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and Tesla did as well. And our Tesla bot at 8:40 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, trying to hold support and also doing a full transition here from the dip area to the rip area on 42 vision. We're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run idea was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run idea was from our SPY bot. Our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 10:10 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump to these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock doing a full transition from the dip area here yesterday into the rip area in today's pre-market and back down so far, 2 red bars, 2 dark green bars. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive, under a bear indicator in the first half of the day at 15-20 cent area. But outflow still dominating here on the 30-minute, and we talked about how important this was in our last video, how it actually ran from 10 cents with that bull indicator all the way up towards the 32-cent area, but inflows never picked up, guys. That's why in this volatility, it is crucial to be aware of why it's falling down and getting pulled down so quickly, because inflows did not justify the move. Now, it could have been a temporary short squeeze, but here we are at a critical area of possibly double bottoming, which we're going to look at in just a moment, down towards a key support. And then a bear indicator popped up at around the 24-cent area, and inflows never picked up. So we've been talking about how important it is for any possible move to have strength, for these inflows to start picking up here on the 30-minute and not just here on the 30-minute, but also here on the 1 hour, right? These outflows have been dominating throughout the volatility, but what we do have here now is a bull indicator that popped up at the 1460 area in today's pre-market, and also here on the 30-minute at the same area, and it fought to hold support around that area all day, and that's definitely something to not ignore. And if we zoom into the 15-minute, we could see here in the volatility how these inflows have not picked up either, right? Outflows have been dominating, and recently when it ran, that's the most recent time that inflows actually dominated here, and we're above the midpoint. There's been some moments where it comes up and quickly rejects, but we're really close to the midpoint here on the 15-minute, and it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to pick up and start reflecting that strength into these charts. Now, if we go a step further and go ahead and zoom into the 5-minute, we could see here how these inflows are fighting to get above. Now, in the volatility, it's showing a bear indicator here, canceling out the most recent bull indicator, but things are trying to hold and pull back up, and it's going to be crucial for this strength to roll over into the 15-minute of these inflows and also into the 30-minute to justify any possible strength into these charts. Now, what are the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is 1450. Then below that, if these outflows continue to dominate and also get pulled down here on the 5-minute to cross back down and continue below here on the 15-minute as well, and this bull indicator gets canceled by a possible bear indicator as that weakness reflects into these charts, well, then the next support I'll be watching is the 14-cent area, and then below that comes the 13 to 12.5 area, guys. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside on the support levels. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical to justify any further strength and continue this possible staircase effect. The resistance level that I would first watch is up here above where the bear indicator popped up at the 1530 area, 1540 area, crucial area of resistance in today's volatility. And if that can get broken through, I'll be watching if those inflows pick up on the 15-minute, here on the 30-minute, cancel out this bear indicator, and also roll over that strength into the 30-minute and possibly get a bull indicator. And the next resistance above that is the 16-cent area. And if that can get broken through, the next resistance is up here at the 1650 area. Multiple rejections there. And if that can get cleared, I'll be watching how strong these bull indicators are in inflow versus outflow. And then the 17-cent area will be the next resistance. So this is in a tight range right now, and these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside, but the bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflow, I would not ignore them, and it's going to take for these inflows to switch from red to green, start heading towards the midpoint to justify any further strength to the upside and possible bull indicator. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.